cars coming one from both sides. Oh, that'd be... What? What? No.
Which one do you think's gonna win? My bet's on the Metro. Because it's a Metro.
I'm voting the olive green one with the black hood. Definitely.
I'm going with the lime green one with the black hood and the black.
It's a contender. Come on, Metro! Woohoo!
This is like a race.
I think that Tercell's gonna win.
Which one's Tercell?
Is that red one a Tercell?
Mom, look. They're gonna put the gate in. They're putting the gate down.
Oh, are they?
This is their formal gate.
That means you can't escape now. You're stuck in there.
This is the ultimate death
We're
trap.
gonna battle to the death.
You
can't get out.
escape. So painstakingly slow in there. What? No. Too much, the radiator will explode. Just like the wind of the radiator. You're just smoking.
They're waiting for one to backfire.
Wow.
There's a little stick on top of both of them on the cars.
Oh.
Who won?
Red car's out. How was red car out? It didn't get touched. How's the red car out? It didn't get touched. Or that car. Oh, they're gonna pick up the car. Do it. He came out.
I'm not sure it did better than I thought it would. Huh?
Body clip.
I don't know. I don't know what happened. He seemed to be running okay. I don't know why he stopped.